Hey guys, I'm back again with another reaction to Beyonce and Eddie, Vedder. This is a redemption song that they performed to at, I believe, Global Citizen Festival in 2015. I'm not really sure who he is or if it's discography or anything, but I am curious to learn. So I didn't even know she even performed in 2015. I don't know. I'm just curious to see what Beyonce gonna be giving me vocally. That's cute. Wait, oh, she did perform in 2015. Pearl Jam and Beyonce. She looks so good. I remember now. I remember.
Just a rabbi, so like to the merchant ships.
I like his voice.
To God from the bottomless pit.
My hand was made strong.
Come on, Beyonce.
By the hand of the Almighty.
Yes.
We forward in this generation. Triumphantly.
Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever have, redemption song.
Yes.
Redemption
song. Yes, yes. I like this.
Yourself from mental slavery. No ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy.
I like his voice. I don't know who it is, but I really like his voice. I think I'll look him up after I'm done with this.
How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look?
Yes.
Ooh, some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book.
Won't you help to sing?
This is one thing I like about Beyonce is when she, like I said over, she knows how to do duets with other singers. She knows how to do it, and I love her. I really do love her for that. I know right now people's talking about her doing a duet with Mariah Carey. That was something I would like to see vocally. Slaves, vocally icon legends. I would love to hear them sing vocally.
Freedom is all I ever have. Redemption song.
If you have not seen Beyonce live, she sounds just live as how she sounds on CD, but better. She's going in and she's gorgeous live. Oh, she's such a beautiful woman. This coronavirus need to hurry up, and she need to go like on a third on the run tour 3 or something, because I'm going.
Redemption
song.
Redemption song.
I'm here for it.
Like slavery and apartheid, poverty is not natural. It is man-made.
Man-made.
And it can be overcome.
Yes, it can.
And eradicated by the actions of human beings.
Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had, redemption songs. All I ever had,
redemption songs. Redemption song. Yes, Beyonce and Eddie.
Songs of freedom. Songs of freedom. freedom.
These
Songs
songs
of freedom.
Come on. Yes. Yes. That was beautiful. That was Beyonce and Eddie performing Redemption Song 2015 Global Citizen Festival. I really like it. It's a very good song. You know, poverty is something that can be solved by human beings as a whole. You know, it is man-made. And I wish the best for the future, to be sitting here and honest with you. I wish the best for the future. To sit down and talk about specifics within what's going on in today's society, that's a whole different conversation. But I really do like the message of what they did in this performance. Thank you so much for that, Beyonce and Eddie. I really do appreciate it. For the ones who helped me search for this video, I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I get to it as soon as possible. As always, you can do you beside you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.